Well, let's see what we have here. Oh, none of these are wide open. We do have a few zucchinis coming though, that's good. All right, now we're talking. Lots of squash blossoms on this patty pan. So I cleaned up my blossoms and removed the stamen. I'm using this cheese. I don't know if the cheese really matters. I made these for the first time yesterday and I could not believe how good they were. Squash blossoms always have smelled amazing to me in the garden. They smell like some kind of delicious Mexican food. I guess you can stuff them with cheese or you can make quesadillas. Yesterday I used some sautéed onion and garlic. Today I'm not doing that. I did this on purpose, but they were delicious with the onion and the garlic. I decided to try them this way, and I want to be able to really taste the flavor of the squash blossom. Here goes nothing. Wow, that's really good. I can really taste the squash. Well, they were definitely more flavorful with the onion and the garlic, but I liked being able to see what the blossoms actually taste like, what the flavor profile was.